a Kids Wild Ride production.
Hey, Buzz! What do you say we go for the fastest ride in the Old West? Bullseye! 1 horsepower! Woody, great idea.
That's not fast. Check out my new RC car.
The Taylor Toy Tough and Tumble Terrain Tamer.
The tires are made of real rubber.
It is pretty cool looking, Liam, but I doubt it's faster than Bullseye.
You wanna race?
You're on, Liam. Woody, this is one sweet looking ride. I hope you can beat it. What do you think, Bullseye? My back's been hurting just a little. Woody, no time to chicken out now. How about first one to the pillow wins?
The pillow sounds good to me.
On your marks, get set, go! Holy cow, Buzz! That car is fast!
Looks like I won, Woody.
Show us how it works.
It's very simple. When you push both these to go forward.
Liam, show us what that does. Watch out, Bullseye! Looks like a fun ride. I think I can tame it. Whoa! Turn that thing off! Liam, hit the button! Oh! Liam! Oh! Ah! Oh! Always wear your seatbelt, kids.
Bucket crash. Boys, it's awesome. You can even pump up the tires.
I'm ready to drive this time.
Let me see your license. Check out our link in our description below.